my name is Raylene Hedberg and I'm a prep teacher at Riverside Christian College. I'm here today to give you 4 tips to survive prep with us. The first thing, get your child into a daily routine. So get them to bed early, up in the morning, play a game with them, do some fun things, eat a healthy breakfast, and get them involved in packing their bag ready for school. The second thing is to create some independence with your child. So get them to get their uniform ready, pop their shoes on, get them to help you make some breakfast, get them to help you pack a healthy lunchbox for them, which is our third tip. Make sure that your child knows what you've packed in their lunchbox. So get them some healthy fruit, some yogurt, and make sure that their sandwich is something that they're going to eat in the day. And then pack a little treat just for second rate because they all love those treats. The fourth thing is to help their learning at home by doing lots of fun activities. You could go to the shops, get them to point out sight words or words that they've learned at school. You could play some board games, making sure that they do lose sometimes and they aren't always the winner. Get them to play some games with some cards, with some numbers, do some gardening with them. Go for a walk and ask them to tell you what they see and encourage them to look at things that they wouldn't normally look at. You could go on special adventures to places that they haven't been before to create that creativity and stimulation for their brain. In prep, we like to create a fun learning environment, so we do lots of engaging hands-on activities that get the children to think things a little bit differently that they normally would. Well, I hope these tips have helped you today, and thank you for listening.